If your Reddit post or images aren't loading properly, here are some steps you can take to fix the issue. First of all, you need to check the Reddit server status. Sometimes, Reddit might experience server issues that affect image loading, so you can check the Reddit status page to see if there is a widespread issue with the images or the site. And you can also try reloading the page to see if the image loads properly. And if you're using the app, swipe down on the screen to refresh. Now, try clearing the cache and cookies. You can go to the settings, or you can just simply tap and hold the application, tap on the eye icon in the top right, and then scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. And if you're using a web browser, you can go ahead and clear the cache and cookies of the browser. Talking about the browser experience in Reddit, some extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, etc. that has been installed in your browser may block images from loading. So disable any active browser settings or try browsing in incognito or private browsing mode to see if the images load. And if you're posting an image with the URL, example from an external source, ensure that the URL is correct and the image is publicly accessible. Reddit often does not allow images hosted on insecure HTTP websites, so make sure that the image URL starts with the HTTPS. Also try logging into Reddit in a different device to rule out issues with the current setup. And if you've uploaded an image and it's not showing, try deleting the post and re-uploading the image. And make sure that the image file size is not too large. So Reddit typically allows images up to 20 MB. And you can also check the Reddit image upload guidelines. Reddit has certain file types and size limitations for images, so make sure that the image is in supported format, example JPEG, PNG or GIF, and within the Reddit's size limits. And if the image is too large, try resizing to meet the limits. And ensure that your internet connection is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can cause images to fail to load. And if you're using the Reddit app and the images aren't loading, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application from the Play Store or App Store according to your device. And this can resolve any issues that is related to the app cache or settings. And if you're using any VPN, disable it. Try disabling it temporarily to see if that fixes the image loading problem. So some VPNs may cause connectivity issues with Reddit. So ensure that your browser or the Reddit app is up to date. And outdated versions of the browser or the app may cause issues with the content loading. If none of the above works and the Reddit is still experiencing issues, it might be a temporary problem on their end. You might need to wait for them to resolve it. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.